Tipoko ikore network. Wadhi nena cheno machielo. Ingini cheno mar mbako romo bende wakao weche matimore e aluora magwa achiel kachiel. Omiyo gisani adaro mar mondo wadhi e committee mano mar od bura mochung' ne kete tim pend chike kachiel kod mano mar chike JLAC. Ntiere kaka giromo kod riwruoge makedo ne ratich oganda e wi ikruok mano motelo ne yiero maduong' mano mar higa mar 2027. Inyana machuok kapok wadhi rawiti mondo watiek twak marwa.
The exam is not set cheaper for women, it's a bit harder for men. So that when it comes to election, there are some favors that are being kept aside so that it favors the women and them to be left to tackle the hard part of it to get the election. However, I also believe there is a lot of advocacy that is required to be given to our people. I'm elected in a constituency whereby I fight for the seat with the men, and it is not easy. It calls for a courageous woman, and one who is married to a spouse who also loves politics, and one who knows that certain propagandas and insults can be held to your spouse, but your spouse does not reflect that. So it is true for women to campaign in Kenya. There are myriads of problems that will keep them off. But when it comes to leadership, I want to say here without any paper or contradiction, women are the best. Women are the best. Yes. They are always sober. They are hearty when it comes to dealing with our local communities, issues that are going through. Women never give up. Women never give up. And they are very consistent. And they are go-getters. That is not for me. Men sometimes they give up very quickly. Sometimes they wonder what is this that I'm benefiting with so that I continue with it. Other times they ask what is the exchange for whatever I'm going for. And sometimes they drink all the night, and the following day there was a meeting or there is something that you were supposed to go for. Therefore, that is why I'm saying, if only women can be given an opportunity, I think we can be able to change many of the problems that we are facing. When it comes to corruption, in whichever sector, in whichever way, you get the percentage of that, because I do not want to say that we are perfect. It is very minimal as compared. But in Kenya, that is a nightmare. You fight your own battle, you fight your own way, and therefore, the issue of the two-thirds will remain a very big elephant that you cannot achieve. Yet I know we can. Outside there, I always tell women, come out, be courageous, talk with your spouses, tell them what they expect, or even, again, when it comes to those who do not have spouses and they are competing, you know the words they are called. Awachana ito ni baraya, ata mzee hana, bomba hana.
Nyakorongo jama no kanyo kamiti mar JLAC mabende romo kotendo kod ikruok motelo ne yiero maduong' mabiro mano mar higa mar 2027. Wantiere gi jafwambo marwa mar siasa Chris Owino mabende nitiere romo makamano.